来过来是咱甲西非的索马利兰共和国，顶2个月来宣布要互相来设这个代表处。台湾伫因遐的代表处已经伫8月17来设立，因驻台湾的代表处今仔日正式来开馆。
索马利兰的国歌，相信真侪人拢是头一摆听到，也无随着两国互设代表处，应该会愈来愈熟悉。索马利兰驻台代表处正式营运，外交部长吴钊燮、索国驻台代表处穆姆德2人代表两国友谊向前迈进。
Our two countries are members of the same community of democracies, bounded by our shared political and economic freedoms, as well as international values.
The opening of the Somali Representative Office marks a new chapter in Taiwan-Somaliland relations.
虽然两国还无正式的邦交，不过咱国驻索马利兰的代表处已经伫8月份开馆，嘛听讲索国总统比西积极考虑要甲台湾建交，和中国的当局真有意见。
From Somaliland perspective, we're independent. We are happy to make relations with Taiwan and other countries.
外交战场恐惊伫非洲展开新一波的攻防。